This is a pretty comprehensive gallery of shapes that Manim offers. We can obviously make custom shapes, but then out of the box, Manim gives us these shapes. Let's pause here for a second and look at some of the basic shapes. So circle, triangle, square, rectangle, regular polygon, ellipse, star, dot, and annulus. Annulus is a ring with some thickness. It is more like a circle with some thick boundary. Manim offers us arc-based shapes. The arc is there, arc between 2 points. There's a sector where this part is shaded. Arc polygon. You see, arc polygon has some arcs which form a polygon. Annular sector is just a part of the annular ring. Next, we look at arrows and lines. So you see arrow, double arrow, curved arrow. All these can be useful when pointing between objects or pointing to an object. Dashed line, tangent line, elbow, vector, all this comes inbuilt in Manim. Now we have some labeled shapes. Labeled shapes includes labeled dot. So there's a dot which is labeled. You can simply label, say, dots with numbers. There are labeled arrows. There are labeled lines. Angle tools. So angle tools, there are two types of angle tools that Manim offers. One is the arc of an angle. So you can make an arc of 30 degrees. You can specify the starting angle and the end angle, and that arc will be formed. You can make angle, right angle is there. So you can make lined angles. So this is not necessarily right angle. These are decorative and helper shapes. So these shapes, background rectangle, you can make a background rectangle around some object. You can make a surrounding rectangle around some object. So you don't have to write a code, you don't have to find the edges, vertices. You can simply use the surrounding rectangle and it will form a surrounding rectangle on some object. Then we have cutouts, we have underline, we have cross, we have rounded rectangle. Arrow tips. So at the tip of an arrow, you can draw these tips either in a circle. So these are all inbuilt. Obviously, we can make custom ones, but yeah, right now we'll not worry about the custom shapes. Bezier curve is another very handy tool when you are making animations. Most of the times you might not need it. We'll see Bezier curves a little later. Either in a circle. So these are all inbuilt. Obviously, we can make custom ones, but yeah, right now we'll not worry about the custom shapes. Much of the work in Manim can be done using the inbuilt shapes. So the best part about Manim is it comes with a lot of pre-built shapes that are ready to use. They are pretty customizable a lot of times. For more Manim tutorials on animations, on the basics of Manim and the advanced ones, please look at the other videos that I have for you.